In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Azure account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right sign-in option so your Azure setup starts on the right foot. I'll also share a few quick tips to help you avoid common hiccups along the way. First, open your browser and head to the official Microsoft Azure website. You can get there by typing Microsoft Azure account into your search engine and selecting the official Microsoft link. Make sure you're on a legitimate Microsoft page by checking the URL and the padlock icon in your browser. If your device tends to auto-sign in with a work or personal profile, consider opening a private or incognito window so you can pick the exact account you want to use for Azure. On the Azure account page, look for the Sign Up button. Depending on your region, you might also see language like Start Free. Both lead you into the same sign-up flow. Clicking Sign Up begins the process of associating an Azure subscription with a Microsoft identity. Take a moment to review any information on the page about plans, offers, or trials so you understand what you're getting. You can always adjust billing or upgrade later inside the Azure portal. If your browser suggests an account you don't want to use, select Use another account. This is important because the Microsoft identity you choose here is the one that will own your Azure resources and billing. If you have a personal Microsoft account and a work or school account, pick the one that aligns with where you plan to build and manage resources. For example, use your organization's account if you need access to company subscriptions or policies. If a different profile keeps appearing, sign out in the top right corner or stay in that private window so you can enter the correct credentials cleanly. If you need a different way to log in, choose Sign-in Options. This menu supports methods like using a security key, Windows Hello, or other passwordless choices your organization may allow. These options are especially helpful if your company enforces strong authentication or if you prefer a more secure, low-friction sign-in experience. Follow the prompts that appear based on your chosen method. The page will guide you through any verification steps required. That's it. You've navigated to the Azure site, selected Sign Up, chosen the right account, and explored alternative sign-in options. From here, you're ready to continue the Azure sign-up flow and then head into the portal to start building with confidence.